Hey makeup lovers, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be creating this fun and festive holiday makeup look. It's been a while since I've uploaded a tutorial, so I hope you guys really enjoy this video. For those of you who have been tuned into my videos since day one, thank you so much for being here. I'm so glad you all chose my channel to come and learn how to do your makeup. It is my goal to upload easy, beginner-friendly tutorials. So if you have not done so already, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, or share so more of you out there can learn how to do your makeup. Whenever I'm doing my makeup, I always start off with my brows. After brows, I move into eyeshadow, and then I make sure I apply a primer every time I'm getting ready to do foundation. Brows are done, so now you can see me working on eyeshadow. I'll be using 3 shades today from the Crayon Case Big Box palette. I'll be using a dark brown shade, a gold shade, and a shimmery white eyeshadow shade. I'm focusing the white shade on the inner corners while the gold will go in the middle and the brown will be on the outer ends of my eyelid. While applying that eyeshadow, I'm not rubbing it on, I'm just patting everything in place, and I'm being sure to go back over other spots to make sure that everything is seamless and blended. Before applying foundation, I always use a primer. Primer is one of your base products. You want to make sure you're using it because when you put on your foundation, you don't want foundation to touch your bare skin. You want a barrier to be there that will allow your foundation to blend well. And primer will also allow your foundation to appear smooth and even. Now it's time to contour. I am using a foundation stick to do this step. Now I am just blending it out all over my face in these areas. You want to be kind of precise about where you put your contour so your face can appear lifted and sculpted. In this step, I'm using a powder to place all over that foundation. The powder and the foundation stick that I use to contour is the exact same color. And I'm doing this just to set that contour in place. Throughout the day, we do get oilier, so using a powder to set our makeup in place will help it last longer. What's holiday makeup without a red lip? It's so pretty, it's so bold, I really just have to have one. Now for more precision, I'll be using a small flat brush just to rub this red lip all the way in. Now I'll be adding blush using this strawberry cream shade from the Watch Me Blush Crayon Case palette. Now I am adding my little finishing touches, and that is the final look. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and always come back for more easy makeup tutorials.